Something that is also really great if you want to influence people is to use the law of reciprocity. It means that if you give something, there are higher chances that the person will also give you something. Why? Because people don't want to appear as selfish. So it's something that you can use at your own advantage. So you see many business, what they do is that they will give something for free. They will just say, oh, this is a free sample. Oh, this is a chocolate. This is a flower. And they will just give something for free. And then they will start saying what the products and services are about. And there are higher chances that the person will buy. Why? Because the person said, oh, this person gave me a chocolate. This person gave me something for free. Now I should also give something to the person. And oh, I have money that I can give to the other person. So the law of reciprocity is really, really great and something that you can use at your advantage. So I encourage you to think about something that you could, for example, give for free to people that you meet. For example, it can be a free sample. It can be a chocolate. It can be coffee. It can be anything. For example, when I get people that come here to my office in Lausanne and they want to be coached by me, I always try to give them many things. So I give chocolate, I give coffee, I try to be really nice. I try to give as much value as I can to them because they come here, they have half an hour free. It means that I have half an hour just to bond with the person and then to sell a package. So it means that they arrive here, I try to give as much value as I can. I give them advice, I give them everything, and then I just say, oh, these are the package that I have. You can decide if you want them. And I have really high converting rates because of that, because I give first. So if you would like to influence people, I encourage you to be a giver, be a value giver, give advice, give information, try to help people, give them stuff for free. And you will see there are higher chances that people will give back. And when they will give back, they will give more back. Because there were studies that were done with that. It means that if I give you, for example, one flower, then you will give me more in return. It's not that you will give me one flower. You will give, for example, 2 or 3 flowers back. So the return will be higher. That's why I encourage you to start giving value to people and to really be generous with people. And you will see that you will get back. And that's how you can really influence people.